Yesterday nyika yese yakazochiona kuti rutendo matinyarare mashoko aitaura anga echokwadi kuti the president of Zimbabwe, His Excellency President Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, asked to meet retired pamwe ma-serving generals. Nesana mashoko onekwa yesterday ekuPrecabe farm kuchionekwa kunzi aiwa vakuru aiwa vemauto vakanga varimo aiwa muPrecabe farm. Ameno what was discussed, but what we know ndezvekuti vakanga variko. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Opamuchunguri Kashiri, she made a post anyora chiti, today in Kwekwe, meaning yesterday, I joined His Excellency President Dr. Emerson D. Mnangagwa, Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, together with service chiefs, members of the Joint Operation Command, and senior government officials during a tour of Precabe farm. The engagement reflects the strong working relationship between the Commander-in-Chief and the Zimbabwe security leadership, founded on constitutionalism, professionalism, national unity, and development. As Zimbabwe continues to consolidate its international standing following its election to the United Nations Security Council for the 2027 to 2028 term, we remain focused on safeguarding peace, strengthening national institutions, with advancing Vision 2030 towards an empowered and prosperous upper mid-income society. Doma developments anoyatoka na upamuchinguri panguva ino yatona kuti this meeting with the president yema Joint Operation Command and service chiefs yema retired generals panguva ino it has come at a time atiri kuona kuti muZimbabwe right now muri kudebatwa about the constitution if Zimbabwe has to adopt the Cape 3 or not. But panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi all these generals vanozikangwa kunzi these are the only people who are being feared kunzi vangakonzeresa chaos sezvamboitika muna 2017. But panguva inoi people they are starting to realize something. Kana comment section medu nzafura enyi moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muzana subscribe or like, once you don't turn the bell icon.